Garlic bread, a flavorful delight. Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into a delicious topic that's loved by many around the world. Garlic bread. We'll explore what it is, how it's made, and why it's such a popular side dish in various cuisines. So, let's get started. Garlic bread consists of bread, garlic, and butter. It's typically made with a baguette or a similar type of bread, which is cut open, spread with a mixture of butter and crushed garlic, and then heated until warm and toasty. Some variations also include cheese, herbs, or olive oil. Garlic bread has its roots in bruschetta, a traditional Italian appetizer. However, the garlic bread we know today became popular in the United States, especially as an accompaniment to Italian-American dishes like pasta and pizza. It's a testament to the blend of cultures and the love for simple, flavorful food. Making garlic bread is quite straightforward. 1. Preheat your oven. 2. Mix softened butter with minced garlic, and herbs if you like. 3. Spread the mixture over the bread. 4. Bake until the bread is golden and the edges are crispy. You can also grill or toast garlic bread for different textures. There are endless variations of garlic bread around the world. Some include garlic knots, where the bread is tied in knots before baking, or stuffed garlic bread, filled with cheese or other fillings. Each variation has its unique flavor and style. And there you have it, a quick guide to the irresistible world of garlic bread. We hope you're now eager to try making your own or simply enjoy it in a new light. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more tasty topics.